Here we go again, Gary here from Camping Guru UK. We're just doing a little series, 3 or 4 videos of some ultralight gear. Now a little while ago I bought from HODR Gear, which I think is short for Horizon Outdoor. I bought a wonderful 2-in-1 reversible stuff sack stroke pillow, and I loved it. And I bought that actually from AliExpress, but you can buy direct from their website. Either way, check which is the best value for you. So I thought I'd just buy a few more little bits, but today what we've got here is a Dyneema peg bag. Now on their website, and there's the logo, there you go, on their website, this is about $12.50, about £10, which you might think is quite a lot of money, but I tell you what, if you try and buy one of those American cottage company ones that sew them and make them and put them together in America, you'll pay a lot more. Now the beauty is, normally these by the way are just some carbon fiber rods with some plastic ends on that I made. So I just made some ultralight pegs. Now that was my original lightweight peg bag, and if you are a gram counter, that weighs about 12 grams, whereas this weighs about 5 grams. Again, it's not a, I mean, it's a massive saving percentage wise, but people out there are trying to save as much weight as they can, and HODR Gear, they are trying to bring products out that are saving those grams. And I believe, for instance, I'll show you this in a bit, but there's the original brand name, Horizon Outdoor. It actually says, I think, on some of their labels, Horizon Outdoor Gear still, but I think HODR is sort of short for Horizon Outdoor. So there you go. So yeah, you can't go far wrong if you're trying to shave the grams. You'll get, if you're using just normal aluminium type pegs, I would imagine you probably get about 7 or 8 of them in there, 8 of them or so, maybe a bit more. Ideally you want to be using those shepherd hooks titanium, or some carbon fiber pegs, which again these guys do on their website. So that is Gary from Camping Guru UK. Usual old guff. If you want to like it, you want to share, subscribe, well, that would be nice. More importantly, comment. Do some comments, good or bad, I don't care. Anyway, as long as you enjoyed the video, cheers.